Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video, it's a long video, so grab a coffee, a soda, a glass of wine, a matcha latte, whatever you want to. Also, the video is about showing my 2025 Halloween stash, which I am very happy about because I came from large bins of Halloween supplies stored in my basement, and now they are only iris cases, which is a good move for me since I have a very small craft room. So if you are a new paper crafter or a seasoned paper crafter who have downsized or do not have enough space or a dedicated room, or if you are crafting in your kitchen or in your living room, or you have a very small dedicated space to paper craft and you don't know how to store your crafty supplies, particularly Halloween, this video is definitely for you to check it out. We're gonna see the Halloween stash, how I'm containing my Halloween stash in different cases that you can get them at Target, at Walmart, at Amazon, you name it. And then hopefully this will give you some ideas on how to store your Halloween supplies if you are crafting in your living room, dining room, or if you have a small craft room like me. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so we can start watching the Halloween stash. Well, this is the section of the craft room where I have few things that I am using to paper craft for Halloween. So iris cases full of metal dies, and on the floor I have a plastic container. It's like a shoebox full of embellishments, my beads, a sleeve, and then in this crafty cart I have a combination of Halloween and Christmas. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to grab the Halloween supplies. So we are going to start with the sequin mixes, and then we will go along with the iris cases, the shoebox, the beads, metal dies, etc. So we are going to move to the crafty table. So here are some of the sequin mixes and washi tape that I had in the crafty cart, and some things were given to me in swaps. Look at that. So just about time, right? This is like a combination of so many Halloween mixes, and then ones that I had opened a little bit are from sprinklets. More on that. As you can see, my crafty stash is getting smaller and smaller every year. I receive these in swaps, and my goal is just to eventually eliminate it. So yeah, these are the sequin mixes, and I am going to move to the iris cases. So this is the first iris case that I had combined so many things. Sorry about the glare. So I have this baggie that I got. This is from Target like years ago. Napkins, cute baggie. More washi tape, which I should probably bring that out. You see that inside? More napkins, pumpkin patch, like a nice die cut, straws, die cuts, and here are more straws and things that I have received in swaps. And I probably should. My goodness, I have all these ones too. Little books that I got at Dollar Tree probably last year, I believe. Yeah. So books. This is a book that I made for May. Isn't that cute? I glued fabric and did this baddie die cut, and what I did was I covered it, right? And I used one of these Dollar Tree notebooks. Then here I have some chipboard, some felty stickers. What is in here? In here I have pieces that I have to go through too. More stickies. My goodness, I have so many stickers. Look at that. Stickers, photos, more stickers. So I want to say this is the embellishment slash, oh, let's go in order. So more things here, flowers, wine tag. I got these at Target too. And then more stickers. You see that? Stickers, stickers, and more stickies. More stickers. From Jolie. This is from Target. Paper boxes, cuffings. Ideology from Tim Holtz. I love these kitty back topper that I got in a swap, and I couldn't like let it go, so I have it here. And then long stickers, cards, words. This is Happy Hunting, I believe. Oh my goodness. So my goal is just to finish this all. This is a really old collection from Basic Gray. I cannot let go of these. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Spooky. Happy Halloween. These are 12 by 12 stickies, and I think I'm getting good because, as you can see, there's not that many stickers left. Or this is the vintage one. More, yeah. So these are all 12 by 12 stickers, and the regular. When I say regular, the easy stickers, right? And some embellishments here and there. So I still have to go through all that and combine things around. Haven't done it. Definitely when the season is over, I will do that. Oh, and this one as well. And let's take a look. Second case. These are the 12 by 12 papers and pads. I have this Monster Mash. I love this collection from Echo Park. Happy Haunts too. Super cute. I got these at Joann's Fabric 2-3 years ago. Love it. Oh, I have also a Trick or Treat baggie that should go in the other iris case. And then I have some scraps. Also the napkins should go in the other iris case. Should go in the other iris case. Good thing that I'm going through that. And then more napkins. Look at that, how pretty. More napkins, and then hello, hey pumpkin, I have almost nothing. And then some die cuts, and then chipboard stickers, some of my loose collections. Yeah, this is basic gray. This is all basic gray, kind of like autumn. And then photo play and crepe paper. Yeah, so that's what I have in here. And then I'm going to also add the newest, I want to say the newest, whatever I had purchased this year, Halloween wise. I have these in my other videos, the acetate, the Fran Garcia papers, spooky things papers, and this is Doodlebug, hey pumpkin. And what else I have here? Monster Mash. And then this is from Paper Rose. And Simple Stories. So chipboard stickers. So that's it. Not much. Not much. Let's put these here. Yeah. Not much. And then, oh. Let me also show you the die cuts. I believe I showed these in an Instagram reel. But these are all my metal dies and stamps related to Halloween. Well, this is Christmas, should not be here. And I have these ones here. I got a couple of things here and there. These are from Timu. Spooky. Yeah, this one. These are recollections. Trick or Treat, Happy Halloween. Thankful. These are some loose ones that I probably got at AliExpress. And this one, I never used this one, which is so cute. It's a witch. So cute. So these are my metal dies. This skinny case. And this is how I organized beads and charms and dangles. And I got also these. Oh, wow, this is so cute. And then this embellishment box too that was given to me by Renee. I only added more of these things, but I'm leaving everything as it is. My goodness, I still have more stuff here. So in this pocket kind of sleeve, I had more like jammies, kind of like knickknacks of everything. Words, pennants. This is a baggie, should go in the other iris cases. Stickers should go in the other iris case. And yeah, so this is what I have here. It's super cute. Well, also this is the ephemera from Fran Garcia that I purchased last month. So now let's move into the last piece, which is this plastic container. So I think I have been doing good on purchasing things, you know, and buying less stuff, less supplies. This year I remember you having these huge bins of, you know, full of Halloween stuff, but I'm being very conscious right now. And then these ones, they should go in the other iris case. Again, this is not an organizational video or a process video. This is a video that will give you ideas on how to contain your embellishments in, you know, plastic containers, particularly if you don't have enough space like me. I don't have enough space. I have a very small craft room. Even if you have a even if you don't have a dedicated space to craft, you can still organize or contain your embellishments in. Look at this. I got this in a swab. How cute. I cannot let go of this one. And then I believe this one is so cute. Look at this. The scaly. Look at all these. I cannot let go. It's so beautiful. And also having everything handy. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Shakers. I am so bad doing shakers. I know I'm just deviating, but this will give you ideas on how to store your embellishment shakers. Just use like the regular boxes that you can get at Target or any other place, right? Yeah, so this is it. If you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep watching this type of content. And I want to hear from you how you are storing your metal dies, your 12 by 12 paper pads, your stickers, your embellishments, your shakers, anything that you have received in swaps. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.